In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert USDT to TRX inside of Trust Wallet. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and the first thing you'll need to do is just open up Trust Wallet. Now, I'll be doing this on my computer, however, the process is exactly the same, so you'll be able to follow along even if you are using the mobile app. Now, there are actually two ways in which we can convert USDT to TRX. And the first way is by doing it inside of Trust Wallet. You see at the top, there's 4 different options, which are send, receive, swap, and buy and sell. However, if we go to this option, which is swap, this allows us to swap one coin for another. So let's just say we were on the BNB smart chain and we had BNB in our wallet. What we could do is choose the token below and click select token. And we want to search for Tron. Tron is actually TRX. So if we search for TRX, we'll be able to find this one here on the BNB smart chain. So if you had BNB on the BNB smart chain, you can simply choose how much you wanted to buy, and then you will receive TRX on the BNB smart chain. Now, of course, this does work with different chains as well. So if you had Ethereum, for example, and you wanted to swap ETH for TRX, you could do that, and it even crosses across chains. So here we're swapping Ethereum on the Ethereum network for Tron on the BNB network. Now you can look through these different networks and choose which one you like. You might want to receive Tron on the Ethereum network as well. If you wanted to do that, you could just do the exact same process, but this time looking on the Ethereum network. And then you could select Tron, and this would allow you to swap ETH on Ethereum, and you will receive Tron on Ethereum. Now, another way to do this is by using a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap, and this will allow us to swap one coin for another that are on the same network. So you won't be able to do cross-chain swaps like we were doing a second ago. However, you can choose a network up here, and once you have that selected, that will allow you to swap one coin for another. So as you can see, I've got a bit of BNB in my wallet. Let's just say we wanted to swap all of this and receive Tron. What I could do is change it from cake down here, and I can type in TRX. Here we can see Tron on the list, so I can select that, and this will allow me to swap my BNB for Tron. All you have to do is click swap, and you can confirm the transaction in your wallet. So that's how you can convert USDT to TRX inside of Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. Thanks for watching.